Using the Qapital app helps you automate savings and manage your finances effortlessly. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Download and install. Download Qapital from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your smartphone. Create an account. Open the app and sign up using your email address. Follow the prompts to create a secure password and verify your email. Link your bank account. For Qapital to track your spending and automate savings, link your primary bank account. The app uses this connection to monitor transactions and apply your chosen savings rules. Set savings goals. Define specific savings goals, such as a vacation, emergency fund, or a new gadget. Enter the amount you want to save and set a deadline if applicable. Choose savings rules. Select from various savings rules that automate the saving process. Popular rules include the roundup rule, the spend less rule, and the guilty pleasure rule. Customize these rules according to your preferences. Track progress. Use the app's dashboard to monitor your savings goals. Qapital provides visual progress indicators and transaction summaries to keep you updated on how close you are to reaching your goals. Automate and optimize. Automate recurring transfers to your Qapital account to ensure steady progress towards your goals. Adjust your savings rules and goals as your financial situation or priorities change. Withdraw funds. When you reach a savings goal or need access to your saved funds, transfer the money back to your linked bank account through the app.